Hello everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to present about grammar, what contrast adverbs are, and the types of contrast adverbs. So I'm intended to give clear examples and how we can just convert types of contrast adverbs into another types of adverbs. And finally, I'll give you some questions and you will practice with you, please. Nice. Let's start the types of adverbs, please. The first groups of adverbs are the older groups, which is although, though, even though, and even if. The first groups of contrast adverbs. The second is the despite groups, despite and in spite of. The third part, no matter how, and it doesn't matter. Another contrast adverbs. And the other is however, nevertheless, nonetheless, while, and whereas. They are conjunctive adverbs. The last one, despite the fact that, or in spite of the fact that. These five groups, all the five groups are called contrasts. They join ideas which are opposite and just opposite and contrast views. We can say that contrast adverbs. So I'm going to give clear explanation for each group of contrast adverbs. Nice. The first part is the older group, although, though, even though, and even if. Look here. They are usually introductory words. Most of the time, when we intend to combine or join two opposite clauses, all these words come at the beginning of the sentence. We can say that introductory words. Usually, they come at the beginning of the sentence. I don't mean that sometimes we can just use this although, though, even though, and if between the two clauses, but it doesn't affect the meaning of the sentence. So this is the first condition. Second one, we can just use although, though, even though interchangeably without a difference of meaning. The third one, please. They are followed by clause, which clause means subject plus verb structure, but not phrases, either the noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, infinitive phrase. It's not the intention for the although clause, but the preferred structure of this although clause is a clause, at least minimum subject plus verb arrangement is true, please here. Nice, please. አሁን የምናየው እነዚህ ተቃራኒ ሐሳብን የሚያያይዙ አያያዥ ቃሎች ነው ያያያን ያለነው። አምስት ቡድን አለው ወይም አምስት ግሩፕ አላቸው። አሁን ያያየን ያለነው although, though, even though, and even if ናቸው። ኢንትሮዳክቲቭ ወርድ ናቸው ማለት በአብዛኛው ወይም 75% በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ እንጠቀምባቸዋለን ወይም እንከታቸዋለን። ያ ማለት በሁለቱ አረፍተ ነገር መካከል ላይ መጠቀም አንችልም ማለት ሳይሆን sometimes between the two clauses መጠቀም እንችላለን። We use interchangeably ማለት although, though, even though, and even if በመቀያየር መጠቀም እንችላለን። የትርጉም ለውጥ ሊያመጡ አይችሉም። But in American, in British and American English, actually, though I think British English, though is used for in spoken English, but we can just use even though, and even if in spoken English doesn't affect the meaning at all, please. ዋናውና መሰረታዊ ጉዳዩ ይሄ ነው። እነዚህን although, though, even though የምንጠቀም ከሆነ ተከትሎ የሚሄደው የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸር ክሎዝ መሆን አለበት። ክሎዝ ማለት አትሊስት የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት እና ግስ የሆነን ስትራክቸር ተከትሎ መሄድ አለበት። ፍሬዞቹን ወይም ሐረጎችን ተከትሎ አይሄድም ማለት ነው። ጥንቃቄ የሚያደርግ የሚገባው እሱ ላይ ነው። ስለዚህ ክሎዝን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው although, even though. ናይስ ሉክ አንድ ምሳሌዎችን እያየን እንሂድ። although he woke up early, although he woke up early, he missed the first train. Look, although he woke up early, the subject and the verb, this is another verb, so we can say that clause here also precedes with this clause, and the idea of the second clause or the second main clause has an opposite meaning with the although clause. That's why I'm intended to use although here. So it is true that also as the beginning of the clause, though, even if, all adverbs of contrast is true to combine these two opposite ideas to make one interchangeable. It's called an introductory word here. Nice. Although he woke up early, he made the first train, meaning of a sentence. How do you know it, please? If you wake up early, you got or you caught the first train. You caught or you got the first train, which is end mean. But here, he missed the first train, even though he woke up early. He missed means the second clause contradicts with the also clause. That's why I use it although, even though here. That's the rationale behind it. Second example. He missed the first train, though he woke up early. I change the position of the clauses here. Have you seen it here? He missed the first train, which is the main clause, though he woke up early, the dependent clause. It is true, please, but the difference is here, whenever you start the sentence with although clause, there is a comma between the dependent clause with that of the main clause to identify about the two clause types here. If you begin with the main clause and inserting between the two clause with so, even though, and even if, no comma is required, and there is a clear separation between the two clauses. That's though he woke up early, which is the dependent or the although clause here. The idea is still the same. Though he woke up early, in the first case it is a clause, and the second case is also a clause, of course. What I want to show here is we often begin with although, even though, we sometimes insert or use so, even though between the two clauses without using a comma. That's what I want to say here. That's what I want to say here. Another example, please. Although I was told the school is not desirable, I decided to learn there. Although, even though, even if. Yes, ትምህርት ቤቱ ዲዘሬብል አይደለም ተብዬ ብነገርም ለመማር ወስኛለሁ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ዲዘሬብል አይደለም ማለት ፕሌዛንት አይደለም ነው። yes ፕሌዛንት አይደለም ነው። suitable አይደለም ነው። እሱ እንዳልሆነ ብነገርም ብሰማም ለመማር ነው ወስኛለሁ። ስለዚህ ብሰማ አልማርም ብል ፖዚቲቭ ሴንስ ነው ያለው አይደል? ነገር ግን ሰምቻለሁ፣ ነገር ግን መማር ወስኛለሁ ካልኩኝ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው። ስለዚህ although መጠቀም እችላለሁ፣ even though መጠቀም እችላለሁ፣ zone መጠቀም እችላለሁ, and even if መጠቀም እችላለሁ። ይሄን እንደዚህ I decided to learn there even though I was told the school is not desirable. ይቻላል የተረዳችሁ አይደል? I was look here I decided to learn there though I was told the school is not desirable. zone ስንጠቀም እንደዚህ መጠቀም እንችላለን። even the end of the sentence መጠቀም እንችላለን though actually መጠቀም እንችላለን። next one I decided to learn there although I was told I want to show you about although between the two clauses here. Possible no please. Even if it rains heavily, I'll enjoy my holiday outside. Even if it rains heavily, I'll enjoy my holiday outside. Of course, even if though it rains heavily, even though it rains heavily, although it rains heavily, I'll enjoy my holiday outside. An acceptable and meaningful sentence because the two clauses or the ideas are opposite and contrast. Okay, so that is the way I joined it to make one using even if. Great. Next question. The second types of contrast adverb is the despite and in spite of phrase. የመጀመሪያውን ፍሬዝ አየን although clause የምንላቸውን። ሁለተኛው ኮንትራስት አድቨርብ ማለት ደግሞ despite እና in spite of phrase የምንላቸው ናቸው እነሱን ነው ክሊል የምናየው look here they are followed by phrase not a clause please እነዚህ despite እና in spite of phrase ወይም ሐረጋትን ተከትለው ነው የሚሄዱት clauseን ተከትለው አይሄዱም በትክክል ማየት የሚገባን እዚህ ላይ ነው ሁለቱም groups of words ምንድናቸው they are contrast ናቸው contrast የሆኑ ታዲያ ምንድነው ልዩነታቸው የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸሩ ይለያያል ይሄው ፍሬዝን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ እነዚህ ይሄኛው ተከትለው አይሄዱም ይሄ ማለት ናውን ፍሬዝ ማለት ነው ካልሆነ አንዳንድ ጊዜ demonstrative adjectiveዎችን ተከትለው this in spite of this despite that መጠቀም እንችላለን but not clause underline it please አስምሩበት እዚህ ጋር clauseን ተከትለው አይሄድም despite and in spite of despite without of look here despite የምንጠቀም ከሆነ it doesn't take the suffix of and has similar meaning look here with in spite of ጋር ተጠቀሙ ደግሞ in spite of ofን ይወስዳል despite ofን አይወስድም ሁለቱ አጠቃቀማቸው አንድ አይነት ናቸው ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው that is please it clear I think they have similar meaning with the although clauses እነዚህ despite እና in spite of although even though እና even if ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው the only difference is the structure of the sentence please the structure of the sentence look the example is here although look here although the traffic was bad I arrived to my work on time although the traffic was bad although close ማለት the traffic subject was verb ነው close እንለዋለን arrived to work on time ምንም እንኳን አስቸጋሪ የሆነ ትራፊክ ቢኖርም ስራ ላይ በጊዜ ተገኝቻለሁ ነው የሚለው ስለዚህ ማሳየት የፈለኩት ነገር ምንድነው the traffic was bad ስንል close ነው ይሄንን እንዴት ልቀይረው ይችላል ተመልከቱ ይሄን ሐሳብ ወደ ሲቀይረው ወደ despite and in spite of please despite or in spite of እዚህ ጋር ያለውን structure close ወደ ተቀይሯለሁ ወደ phrase ቀየርኩት the traffic በቃ the article ነው traffic noun ነው this is called noun phrase ከየትም አይደለም እዚህ ጋር the traffic in spite of ምንም እንኳን ትራፊኩ የተጨናነቀ ቢሆንም ነው እኮ arrived to my work on time main clause እንዳለ ነው ምንም አልቀይረውም ማለት ነው yes the traffic was bad in spite of the traffic arrived to my work on time I haven't got any word any phrase from which is different from the stated statement here እዚህ ጋር ከተገለጸው ሐሳብ ውጭ ሌላ ዘልዬ ምናምን መመጣው ነገር አይደለም እዚሁ ላይ ነው ይሄን ክሎዝን ወደ ናውን ፍሬዝ መቀየር የሚገባኝ yes in spite of the traffic yes in spite of the bad traffic of course in spite of the bad traffic እንደዚህ ብዬ መቀየርም እችላለሁ ያ next one please example 2 though I won a million lottery I haven't decided what to do አያችሁ አለ though I won as a close please I haven't decided what to do ምንም እንኳን የ1 ሚሊዮን ሎተሪ ባሸንፍም ምን እንደምሰራ እስካሁን ድረስ አልወሰንኩም ነው ይያኛል አይደል አልወሰንኩም so here though I won a million lottery which is a clause yeah simply it's a clause now nice please despite or in spite of winning a million lottery where do I get winning from the verb here won ይሄን won simple past tense ወደዚህ ያመጣው አንድ አይነት ትርጉም ነው ያለች in spite of winning a million lottery ምንም እንኳን የሚሊየን ሎተሪ አሸናፊ ቢሆንም I haven't decided what to do ምን ልሰራ እንደምችል አልወሰንኩም ነው አይደል ስለዚህ what you want to focus here is how can you change the first clause into noun phrases here maybe some words may drop it yeah some words may drop it and there must be a change of some form because you want to make it noun phrase and that kind of words are not necessary to combine these two clauses with one አይሆንም እና ነው አይደል ስለዚህ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሞዲፋይ እናደርጋለን ፎርሞቹን አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ እና ሪጀክት እናደርጋቸዋለን ምክንያቱም ናውን ፍሬዝ ስለማይሰሩ ለምሳሌ ዊኒንግ ከየታመጣውት ዊን የሚለውን verb ወደ ጀረንድ ስቀይረው ምን ሆነልኝ ናውን ፍሬዝ ሆነልኝ ምክንያቱም ሄድ ወርዱ ሚሊየን ሌተሪ በራሱ ስም ነው አይደል ሄድ ወርዱ ልክ እንደዚህ ስም ከሆነ ይሄ ሰብጀክት የለውም verb የለውም ስለዚህ ናውን ፍሬዝ ሆነልኝ ነው በጣም ጥሩ ይሄ ሁለተኛው ምሳሌ ነው ፕሊዝ look at ሶስተኛው ምሳሌ I didn't get a job please I didn't get a job although though, even though, even if I had all the necessary qualifications. I didn't get a job, though, although, even if I had all the necessary qualifications. What I want to do here is, how can I change the sentence? We can be combined with the although clause within that of what? Despite and in spite of, because they have the same meaning here. They are adverbs of contrast groups ናቸው። ዲፈረንሳቸው ምንድነው ብለን የመጣ ነው? የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸሩ ይለያያል ነው። ኦኬ የአረፍተ ነገሩ ይለያያል ነው። I didn't get a job though ምንም ስራ አላገኘሁ ነበር። so I had all the necessary qualification ማለት ሁሉም ኳሊፊኬሽን ቢኖረኝም ስራ ማግኘት አልቻልኩም ነበር። ምንም እንኳን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት። so I didn't get a job despite you or in spite of. look here, despite and in spite of እንደዚህ መጠቀም እንችላለን። ሁለቱንም አንድ ጋር መጠቀም አንችልም። ስትራክቸር ማሳየት ስለፈለጉ ነው። ይሄ ሜን ክሎዝ ላይ ምንም ነገር አንነካካም። implied subject ወይም ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ላይ ነው የምንቀይረው። in spite of having all, having ከየት አመጣሁት? ይሄንን ሲምፕል ፓስ ወደ ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ወሰድኩና ወደ ጀረንድ ቀየርኩት። ወደ ጀረንድ ቀየርኩ ምን ለማምጣት ነው? ምን ለማምጣት ነው? ናውን ፍሬዝ ለማምጣት ማለት ነው። ናውን ፍሬዝ ለማምጣት። ስለዚህ look here, I didn't get a job despite or in spite of having all the necessary qualifications. Thank you. In spite of having, despite having, nice, please. Having all the necessary qualification is not a clause, but it is what? A verb ነው። ማን ነው? ይሄ ክሎዝ አይደለም፣ ፍሬዝ ነው። ምን አይነት ፍሬዝ ነው? ናውን ፍሬዝ ነው። ለምን ናውን ፍሬዝ ሆነም? ኳሊፊኬሽን የሚለው ናውን ወይም ሄድ ወርድ ስም ስለሆነ እነዚህ ሌሎቹ ገላጭ ስለሆኑ ይሄ ምን እንለዋለን? ናውን ፍሬዝ እንለዋለን። in spite of having, despite having all the necessary qualifications. ምንም እንኳን አስፈላጊ የሆነ ኳሊፊኬሽን መለኪያ ቢኖረኝም ስራ አላገኘሁም ነበር ነው። ልክ ነው። ሚኒንግፉል ሰንተንስ ነው። እኔ ማሳየት የፈለኩት አሁን አንድ በኦልዞ በዞ በኢቭንዞ የተገለጸን ሐሳብ በዲስፓይት እና በኢንስፓይት ኦፍ መግለጽ እንዴት እንደምንችል ነው። ስትራክቸራቸው ሁለቱም ይለያያሉ። ፕሊዝ ሂር አይደለ? ይለያያሉ። ፕሊዝ ናይስ። ወደሚቀጥለው ልሂድ። the third contrast adverb is no matter how, it doesn't matter, please, and however. no matter how, it doesn't matter how እና however ምንድናቸው? adverb clause of contrast ወይም contrast words ነው የምንላቸው። actually ልዩነታቸው ምንድነው? እነዚህ ደግሞ contrast phrases በሏቸው። they are contrast because they are found in phrase ነው የሚገኝ። no matter how, it doesn't matter, and however it's a contrast phrase ነው የምትሏቸው, followed by adjectives or adverbs. That's the difference for no matter how, it doesn't matter, and however with that of the past participle back. መጀመሪያ ላይ ስላየነው ጉዳይ አይደለም ነው አሁን no matter how እና it doesn't matter however ስትጠቀሙ አድጀክቲቮችን ወይም አድቨርቦችን ተከትላችሁ ሄዱ ነው የሚላችሁ። ሌላ ህግ ነው ይሄ። no matter how difficult the exam is, no matter how beautiful she is, no matter how expensive the car is, no matter how talent she is. talent አሁን ለነዚህ አድቨርብ ኮንትራስት አድቨርቦች የቀረቡት ሐሳቦች አድቨርብ ወይም አድጀክቲቭስ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ምን ተጠቀም ከሆነ ምንድን መጠቀም አለብን? አድጀክቲቭስ መጠቀም ይቻላልብን ነው የሚላችሁ። similar meaning with the although clause but the structure is different. ከማን ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው? although, though, even though ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው፣ ግን ልዩነቱ ምንድነው? structure ይለያል ነው። structure itself varies, please. nice. example only. although the exam is difficult, I can pass it. although because the exam is difficult, which is a clause, dependent clause ነው። ምንም እንኳን ፈተናው ቀላል ቢሆን ከባድ ቢሆንም I can pass ማለፍ እችላለሁ ነው የሚለው። ያ ማለፍ እችላለሁ ነው የሚለው። ልክ ነው። ኮንትራስት ቪው ነው of course. despite the exam, I can pass. despite the exam ቆረጥኩ እዚህ ጋር despite the exam ኤግዛም ስም ነው። the article ነው። the exam noun phrase ነው because the head word ማለት መሪ ቃሉ ይሄ ኤግዛም የሚለው መሪ ቃል ነው። the exam ዲተርሚነር ነው። ለምን አገባይ ኤግዛም የሚለውን ኮንተንቱን ገለጸው። ስፔሲፊክ ኖን ማለት ነው the exam ማለት። despite the exam, I can pass. ምንድነው despite the exam ማለት? the exam is difficult ማለት ነው። despite the exam ማለት despite the exam ማለት the exam is difficult ማለት ነው። ናይስ ይሄን ሐሳብ ወደ ስንቀይረው በno matter how ነው የምገልጹት no matter how difficult the exam is I can pass it here although the exam is difficult despite the exam no matter how difficult the exam is because as I told you before difficult is called an adjective it go together with the distractors please ከአማራጮች ጋር መሄድ መቻል አለበት please no matter how difficult ነው no matter how difficult ማለት እዚህ ጋር የመጀመሪያው አረፍተ ነገር adjective ነው adjective ነው እዚህ ጋር መጣ አለበት no matter how difficult the exam is I can pass it ምንም እንኳን ፈተናው ከባድ ቢሆንም ወይም ሊከብድ የሚችል ቢሆንም ማለፍ እችላለሁ በሶስት መንገድ ጻፍኩት ማለት ነው it doesn't matter how difficult the exam is I can pass it ይቻላል in spite of the exam I can pass it ይቻላል in spite of the exam በዚህ መልኩ እንጽፋለን please it doesn't matter how difficult the exam ተመሳሳይነታችን ማሳየት ፈለኩ እዚህ ጋር it doesn't matter how and no matter how ተከፍቶ የሚሄድ ምንድነው adjective ነው አይደለ adjective ከየት መጣ እዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ካለው nice however difficult the exam is however ሳናያይዘው ደግሞ ይሄው however difficult the exam is ሌላው contrast adverb ምንለው however ነው however ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን የሚያያይዝ adverb ሲሆን አጠቃቀሙ ምንድነው however plus adjective or adverb ነው however difficult the exam is however less she is however beautiful she is however rich she is በየርማታው ሀብታም ብትሆንም ደሃ ብትሆንም ቆንጆ ብትሆንም ህፃን ብትሆንም አስተማሪ ብትሆንም ፖፑላር ብትሆንም ምናምን ብትሆንም በየግልጻት አልወሰን ነው ስለዚህ this is the correct approach please nice example ላሳያቸው even though the lecture was boring everyone could follow him even though the lecture was boring everyone could follow him look here even though the lecture was boring yeah how lecture በጣም አሰልችና ደባሪ ከሆነ ሁሉም ሰው attentively ሊከታተል አይችልም ነው ባላለ everyone could follow ማለት ሁሉም ሰው መከታተል ይችላል ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው so contrast adverb ነው የሚያሳየን ይሄን በምን ሊገልጸው ይችላል በሌላ አገላለጽ look here in spite of the lecture አላችሁ ይሄው in spite of the lecture everyone could follow him in spite of the lecture or despite the lecture please lecture እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጠ ሐሳብ አለ ይሄው ሌሎቹን አላስፈላጊ ኖቶችን ድሮፕ ያደረኩት so meaningful ነው in spite of the lecture ምን ማለት ነው in spite of the lecture ማለት the lecture was boring dull ነው ማለት ነው interesting አይደለም amazing አይደለም the lecture ማለት in spite of ሲል ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች የሚያያይዝ coordination adjective ነው አይደል in spite of despite the lecture everyone could follow him ምንድነው የሚያያይዝ ልጆች አሉ yes no in spite of the lecture everyone could follow it absolutely it's right it doesn't matter how boring the lecture is everyone could follow him it doesn't matter how but it doesn't matter ሳያይዘው please it doesn't matter how boring the lecture is boring ማለት is an adjective ስለዚህ ምን አደረኩኝ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን adjective በመጣውና ከadverb ጋር ገናኝ it doesn't matter how boring the lecture is everyone could follow him absolutely right no matter how boring the lecture is everyone could follow him በአራት በአምስት መንገድ እንደዚህ ክሎዞች መስራት እንችላለን ጽንሳቡ ከገባን ማለት ነው however nonetheless nevertheless while and whereas ነው ምናየው እነዚህ ምንድናቸው conjunctive adverbs ነው የምትሏቸው they are not look here ደግሞ አለው they are not adverbs of contrast አይደሉም they are conjunctive adverbs ናቸው conjunctive adverb ማለት they are adverbs which joins two main clauses to make one joins ሁለት compound sentenceዎችን ወይ main clauseዎችን ማያያዝና አንድ ማድረግ ነው ፕሮዳክቱ የዚህ ሴንስ ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ however nonetheless nevertheless while whereas conjunctive adverbs ነው የምንላቸው please take care please conjunctive adverbs ነው የምንላቸው በጣም ጥሩ ወደዚህ ልምጣና አንዳንድ ሐሳቦች they are conjunctive adverbs ነው ብያቸዋለሁ followed by semicolon and preceded by comma please እነዚህን በአረፍተ ነገር መሃል ላይ ምትከተማቸው ከሆነ semicolon መጀመሪያ መጨረሻ ላይ ኮማን አስከትለው መሄዳቸው እንዳረሱ however nonetheless nevertheless while whereas they are preceded with semicolon and preceded by comma please semicolon እና ኮማን አስከትለው የሚሄዱ ብቸኛ የያዥ ቃሎች ናቸው ፕሊስ ያ they are always appear by comma they are always appear in the middle of a sentence of course ልክ እንደ also እንደ even በአብዛኛው they never come as the introductory word በፍጹም እነዚህ introductory word አይደሉም በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ በፍጹም ይወጡ አይችሉም የሚወጡ ምን ላይ ነው between the two clauses ያ between the two clauses ሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል ብቻ ነው የሚወጡ የሚያስገድዳቸው ነገር ስላለ yes even though the sugar was expensive yeah ቤት ያገኘው sugar ነው ስለዚህ I can find just like this የሚለዩበት ነው conjunctive adverbs እንደዚህ ነው የሚለዩ they join to mean clause very important እነዚህ ክሎዞች ሁለት ራሳቸውን የቻሉ ሐሳቦችን ብቻ ነው የሚያያዙት they cannot chain one dependent clause ይሄ ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው የኛ እነዚህ ጉዳዮች አሉ የሚያያዙልን please example ስናል he failed the driving license however he will take the test again ረዳችሁኛል he failed the driving license however semicolon and comma he will take the test again so these example sentences are very critical and it needs critical thinking please ይፈልጋል አለ he failed the driving license የመንጃ ፍቃዱን ፈተና ወጥቋል he will take the test again ፈተናውን እንደገና ይወስዳል አይደለ አያያዥ ቃሉን አያይዙ ብትባሉ ቢሆንም ምንም እንኳን ብራችሁም ትገልጹኛለ however እንላለኛ however he will take the test again nice however he will take the test again ይሄ እንደምን ተጠቀምበት አሁን however he will take the test again ምናም just he failed the driving license is he really right or wrong sentence ነው አለ look here however he will take the test again ምንም እንኳን ፈተናውን እንደገና ቢወስድም ነው የሚላቸው ታዲያሳ he failed the driving license ይባላል ምንም እንኳን ፈተናውን እንደገና ቢወስድም ፈተናውን ወደቀ ወይም ወድቋል ነው ምንለው no አሮን አይሆንም ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት however nonetheless nevertheless and while whereas and እነዚህ ምን ያደርጉም ያረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ሊመጡ አይችሉም በፍጹም ስህተት ነው እሱም በደንብ አርጋችሁ ታይዙ ይችላልላችሁ ፕሊዝ ለምሳሌ nevertheless he will take በፍጹም አይሆንም እንደዛ ብለን አንጀምርም ፕሊዝ he failed the driving license nonetheless he will take the test again look here he failed the driving license which is a clause nevertheless or nonetheless he will take the test again ይሁን እንጂ ፈተናውን እንደገና ይወስዳል ነው ያለው አለ ስለዚህ እነዚህ እዚህ ጋር ተቀመጡ ምሳሌዎች meaningful ናቸው example 2 example I love to play football whereas while my friend likes to play tennis while are and while ተቀበሉ this is the right way nevertheless I can't reach to my home on time yes sir this is the right way nevertheless I can't reach to my home on time ይሄ ትክክለኛው መንገድ ነው ይሁን እንጂ ቤቴ ላይ በትክክል በሰዓቱ አልደረስም ነው that's true please yeah እነዚህ ሰጥቷችሁ ምሳሌዎች very important ናቸው please example 3 also I was tired I went to my work also I was tired በኦርዞ ነው ያያዝኩት also I was tired I went to my work አሁን ወዴት ቀየርኩት የና ሐሳብ despite being tired being ከየት ማረል የሚያመጣው እዚህ ጋር be forms of verb ነው be forms of verb ምን አለው progressive አለው participle አለው past participle አለው present participle አለው also I was tired I went to my work exactly also being tired ማለት ይሄንን ወደ noun phrase ለመቀየር ይሄንን be forms of verbs ወደ gerund ለመቀየር ደግሞ ወደ ቀጥታ ወደ ing ብቻ ነው ማዘረው ማለት despite being tired I want my work please in spite of tired or despite my tiredness ይቻላል despite my tiredness I went to my work ይቻላል yeah that's better please ቀድሜ ነገርኳችሁ አማራጮች በጣም አማራጭ ናቸው no matter how tired I am I went to my work ምንም እንኳን ቢደክመኝም ወደ ስራ ሄጄ ነበር look here no matter how tired I am Yes, I went to my work. Nice, please. Another example. I was tired, nonetheless I went to my work. Yeah. ደክሞኝ ነበር ይሁን እንጂ ወደ ቤቴ ወደ ስራ ሄጃለሁ ነው። No matter how tired I am, ምንም እንኳን ቢደክመኝ I went to my work ወደ ስራ ሄጃለሁ። Nice, please. Question number 15. Look here. እንደገና ቼክ እናደርጋለን please. Yes. This is from family league. This is from family league. እዚህ ጋር ማሳየት የፈለኩት አንድ ኮንትራስት የሆነ ሐሳብን በአራት በአምስት መንገድ ልንቀይረው እንችላለን። በተለይ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች አፕቲቲዩድ አካባቢ ላይ ይከሰታሉ በየአመቱ። Although I was tired, I went to my work. ምንም እንኳን ቢደክመኝ ቢሆንም ስራ ሄጃለሁ ነው። Despite being tired, I went to my work. ምንም እንኳን ቢደክመኝም ስራ ሄጃለሁ ነው። No matter how tired I am, ምንም እንኳን ቢደክመኝም I went to my work. ልክ ነው። Despite I was tired, I went to my work. I went to my work. ስለዚህ ምንድነው? How can just write one sentence which are contrast in 4 or 5 different ways? አንድን ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ ያያያዥ እንግሊዘኛ በአራት በአምስት መንገድ መግለጽ እንችላለን። አገላለጹም አንድ አይነት ትርጉም አላቸው ነው። አንድ አይነት ትርጉም አሁን ልክ እንደሳየዋቸው እዚህ ላይ the same meaning ነው ያላቸው፣ similar meaning ነው ያላቸው. Of course possible ነው. Take a please, yeah. Take just like my channel please. Family league, family league, family league, family league. Yes please. With Mr. Kabat. This is my phone. Yes. Nice. Yeah, this is my cell phone please. My cell phone. If you want to contact me and ask questions which are difficult, yeah, you ask me please. And this share please. Share and subscribe my channel please. Subscribe my channel please. Nice. Grade 12 English smart questions please. Grade 12 English smart questions. Smart. በጣም የተሻሉ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እነዚህ. Of course you can just do it please. ጥያቄዎችም አሉ. Actually ማስተማር የፈለኩት እነዚህ also close ዲፈረንሳቸውና አጠቃቀማቸው ነው ማሳየት የፈለኩት. There are questions and I'll publish next time. And till then, actually, goodbye, goodbye, good night. I hope you will enjoy watching the video, please. I hope you will enjoy watching the video, please. Yeah. Chin video ማየት enjoy ታደርጋላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ ራሳችሁን. This is from Family English with Mr. Keb. I thank you those always watching my YouTube channel. This is the end of the presentation. I think that's enough.